Ito po yung part 2.
Excuse me?
Pipindutin nyo po yung ano po dito. Account info. Po.
Directly
Yan
from
po
the boat.
nag-ano.
I can
Malag po
see.
kasi yung cellphone ko.
It appears to have a rotten
po.
expression.
Wait lang po.
You shouldn't be shocked. I'm kidding. A joke.
Balikan muna tayo dito. Yes.
Keep up the good work.
Pindutin nyo po itong account info. Nandito na po lahat ng ano nyo. Nandito na po yung password,
Let's get a
username,
move on.
passkey. Gagawa po rin kayo ng passkey. Account info. Dapat, kapag gagawa po kayo ng passkey, dapat alam nyo po yung ano nyo, password.
Oh, Team Leader Yun.
Ito naman
You're
po,
Thank you for your hard work.
Director,
yung add email.
is all of this preparation really
Yan po
necessary?
itong
They're a
email.
different generation. Our elders value these
Ano
things
nyo po
more
yun?
than you think.
Email dapat nyo po. Ayan. Kanwari po, email ko
I
po
hope you
ay
weren't nervous. Are you okay? Or did you
January
not
lang
sleep
po.
well?
pipindutin nyo rin po itong
Should I be concerned? Because you seem to
itong
be
parang
on
ano
edge.
siya yan,
This guy?
pa circle or triangle. Nalilito po ako. At pipindutin nyo itong
Presentations need
add
showmanship,
email.
so what you're sensing is my focus,
Pipindutin nyo
Team
po
Leader
to.
Yun. I won't be blandly reading like some
email.
presentation amateur.
Yan, yan
I
po.
intend to be humorous
Tapos po,
also,
kapag ganito,
and treat our honored guests with
yan.
cocktails and
Kapag may
delicious
add
food as
passkey
well.
pa kayo,
This
lang po.
guarantees our company their full
dapat ito
support.
po ay
You get it, right? Hmm?
ito po dapat ay alam niyo yung password nyo para makagawa po kayo ng passkey. Pwede naman po kayo mag-forget your password. Pero po madami po siya nga anuhin. Kagaya po nito.
Hello, Mr. Crow.
Yan po, quorum. Dito po tayo para mas madali po kumpara po dun.
I am the proud director of Chronoid. Kim Sang-un is my name.
Ito po siya. Kaya po lumabas.
But please
Pag
enjoy
ayun
the
po,
show.
ayan po pag lumabas, ito pipindutin nyo po to. Yan. Forgot password. Yan. Diyan po kayo mapunta. Sa roblox.com.
Year 2135.
At dapat meron
The
naman po
rising
kayo
sea
dito
level,
aanuhin.
depletion of resources,
Yan po,
and
kagaya lang po
pollution of
niyan.
Earth forced
Yan po.
mankind to look for a new way to survive.
Parang hindi po to. Hindi po to. Mali po. Mali.
However, only a short time later,
Mali po.
space shelters number 8.
Basta ganun lang po. Gagawa lang po kayo doon ng email tapos code po. Pupunta po kayo sa email at may makikita po kayo doon code. Tapos lalagay nyo po doon. Pwede nyo na po palitan yung inyong password.